Alright, welcome back to Lost in the Kerf. Today I'm going to cut a slot in a part of a sheet of 3/4 inch plywood, and let me show you the method to the madness here. What I'm going to do is come in with this with my jigsaw, and I've got a 10 teeth per inch blade in there, which is going to give, it's not the most clean cut, but it's going to be good enough and for my purposes. And actually the blade says clean on it, so I guess it's supposed to give a pretty nice cut. So here's do a demonstration on paper first, so it's going to be a little obscured when I'm in here with the saw. As much as possible you want to stay inside of your waist, so all this will be waist. So you want your blade inside of the line. What I'm going to do is come all the way down to the end, back up some, hit this corner, take the blade out of the kerf, come back on the other side, do the exact same thing, go down to the end, come back, curve to the other corner. Then I'm just going to nibble away at this. There'll be a little triangle left down at the end. And what I'm doing is I'm going to try to fit another piece of 3/4 inch in this slot. So the slot is 3/4 inch, as close as possible, and that's the system. We'll see if it works. It has 100 times before, so now I'm going to do this freehand. If you wanted to take the time to put a guide on here, you could. I'm just going to, since it's such a short slot, and you don't really need a guide at all times. The more experience you have with the saw, the more confident you'll get, and Jigsaw will give you a pretty straight cut if you don't go too haywire on it. So here we go, and y'all might want to turn your volume down, hold your ears, this is going to be pretty loud. Clean this edge up. There you have it. A little bit loose, but it's good enough for my purposes. If I'd come back a little more inside that line, would have been a little tighter, but that's going to work for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this. It's just a little lesson on how to use a jigsaw. There's various ways of approaching these different kinds of cuts, but that's the way I do it. So hope you guys learned something. And if you can, like, subscribe, comment, and share it. Appreciate it.